Steve Holscher with Fields Auto Works. We're a Columbus, Ohio-based manufacturer of sports cars that are track capable. The car we have here today is a Cardinal. It's our middle range car. It was conceived to be the ideal track car from the perspective that the ideal track car is one that's very quick, it's a lot of fun to drive, very rewarding to the driver, but yet is relatively inexpensive to purchase, and more importantly, it's easy and inexpensive to maintain. It's a semi-monocoque aluminum panel chassis. It's modular. It has a center section with front and rear subframes. So the suspension is double A-arm pull rod. The drivetrain is Mustang based. It's the Ford 2.3 EcoBoost out of the current generation Mustang. As it is, we run the factory tune in the car. It's completely stock, makes 300 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque. Very reliable, very robust, relatively inexpensive. The rest of the driveline from the flywheel back is based on the Shelby GT350. So it's a Tremec T56 6-speed, the Ford Super 8.8 rear end with a Torsen diff, and the Shelby axles. Total weight, track ready, is 1,800 pounds. Wow. So with 300 horsepower, that's 6 pounds per horsepower, which is deep into the supercar range. It's very quick, and the lightweight, horsepower never helped you stop or turn. The car's available as a roller, that's less the engine and transmission, and a roller in the base configuration is $49.9. Finished cars, again, in the base configuration with a drivetrain, and that's track ready. You can take delivery of the car and immediately go lap your favorite track in it, and that's about $65. It's a lot of fun. It's the first thing you notice right out of the gate is that it's light. The acceleration is very brisk, but that broad torque curve is relatively undramatic. So corner exit, the car is very smooth, very predictable. It's easy to drive. It rewards a gentle touch. It has no driver aids in the base configuration. There's no ABS. There's no traction control. It's all you. It's standard manual 3-pedal car. You can go to fieldsautoworks.com or find us on Facebook, and we also have a YouTube page that we're beginning to get some content on.
Support brands that support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.